Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be talking about Bitcoin. Alright, so this has been a very incredible run for Bitcoin. I think last time that I posted a video we were around 56 to 55,000, and now we're sitting at 71,000. Alright, so let me explain this last part of what happened. Right, so this is the last very low that we have, and then this is our first bullish move on Bitcoin in the last couple months. All right, so for this to happen, there was some situations that needed to happen for us to complete this whole bullish move. All right, and I believe we're still gonna keep going. So we created this low. After this low, we started creating some motion, right, towards the upside. And the biggest thing that we had was the trend line. So we have this trend line going from all the way over here, our first out in March, and then the last was right here around October. All right, so we had this, multiple points in the trend line that was hit, and we had to break this trend line in order for us to keep coming up. All right, and we know that if we break the trend line, we have to retest to then keep coming up, because we can do what just happened here. We just retested the trend line and then came down. But once we came down from here again, I basically put this yellow trend line indicating that we were, creating new highs. So this is the low, this is a high, and then this is the higher low, and then we just created another high over here. We retested the trend line, and the most important part is the moving average underneath. Right, so if the moving average is underneath price action, just like we are right here, we are moving up. Now we created this level of basically exhaustion right here on the left that we retested here on the right, and then we pushed down. It was all time perfect, because here's another area of exhaustion on Bitcoin as well, right here, that served as a level of support. Once this served a level as support, we basically had to break this high over here at around 69,000, which we then broke this high, and then broke 72,000. Now we're coming back, retesting this previous high, and basically shooting for what I believe is a new high on the market. Right, anything can happen, but there's a lot of signs indicating that we're still bullish. Moving averages underneath. If we look at the monthly time frame, we see that we are very bullish. Right, there's 1, 2, and then we're forming the third candle, third bullish candle. We know that once we do the 1, 2, 3 candle bullish candle pattern, we are moving up. Right, so this is a very good sign for Bitcoin. Moving averages underneath. If we go to the weekly time frame, we are basically resisting the previous resistance here on the left, but I believe we are still going to push up. All right, so there's a lot of good signs for Bitcoin right now. Even if price pushes down, we are still bullish forever, right? So let's hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and see you guys on the next one.